look above ya. See my boat? Oh, blimey. Coins have fallen from my boat. Do me a favour and catch those coins. What a jolt. Must have been an earthquake. Keep collecting the coins. Oh, great. Looks like the earthquake upset the sharks. Try not to look so delicious. Blimey, things are getting crazy down there. Don't worry, we're sending someone in after you. Hurry and collect as many of me coins as you can before we get you out.